Good morning and welcome to my channel. I am Darmisha West, Independent Beauty Consultant with Mary Kay. Welcome. So if you have not subscribed, please do so. Yes, so you will know when I will upload videos and new content, different stuff. Who knows? You may see something that you like. So go ahead, click that subscribe button. And to all my other subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being a part of my tribe. So today I'm going to do my morning skincare routine. So in a previous video, you saw that I did my nighttime skincare routine. So this morning I'm going to do my morning routine. If you don't know, please refer back to this video up at the top. But I am a TimeWise Repair user. For my journey with the volume TimeWise Repair, I started about a year ago. I did it for my birthday, so I'm a year and a half in. So this is my Volu-Firm. So what I'm gonna do, once again, is kind of wet my face. That's what I do. If I was standing up, I probably would splash some on my face, but I'm just gonna do it this way. I am going to use our Sonic System brush right here. So I'm going to wet it and I'm going to apply the product right on the brush. You can use your hand and then put it, apply the foaming cleanser. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So with our Sonic brush, you do it 15 seconds on one side, 15 seconds on the other cheek, forehead, and chin. I'm talking, so I'm losing my count. So I'm just going to work it in, get it all lathered up. This is a foaming cleanser. As I stated, I love the foaminess of it, of all of what it offers. So it's just a simple routine, guys. Once I feel like I got that good, I will get my neck. Ladies, please don't forget your neck. I'm just going to do my face right now. But when my brush stops, I'm going to definitely get my neck. You want to have your face and neck to match. So whatever you put on your face should be safe enough for you to put on your neck. Okay, stop. So what's left over, I'm just going to do it on my neck. And it's a lot of soap left inside of the brush, as you can see. So I just go back over my face one more time. Neck. And so I'm going to get it all. But what's left in this brush, guys, I'm going to do it on my hand. I know you seen on my last video, I did it on my hand. So what's left, I'm not going to let that foamness go to waste. I'm going to put it on the back of my hands. I'm doing it on both hands. I do not believe in wasting products, so get your money's worth. Then I'm going to rinse the brush out. I'm still going to wash my face with a white washcloth. Get this off my hands. I'm dropping another product in the sink. But your morning routine is just the same as nighttime. What today you're going to see different, I'm going to add some supplements in there. That's the only difference that I'm doing. I'm adding some supplements. Remember, you always want to go in the upward motion. Upward motion. Circular motion. Then go upward. My neck. Go back over my face, make sure I got it all off. It probably will get in your hairline like it did mine. Just wipe it back, guys. All right, so that was the first step, which was the Volu-Firm cleanser. So my next step I'm going to do is, these are my supplements, and you may think, oh my gosh, you have a lot of supplements. I think I do, but it's okay. Because I do the clinical solution, I always still add this on my face on other days. So I'm just going to squirt 2 pumps in my hand. I'm going to rub that on there. Put it all over my face, upward. Then I'm going to do my neck. Remember what else you put on your face, you can put on your neck. Then what's left I'm just going to put on the back of my hands because I did that as well. So I did 2 steps already, the Volu-Firm cleanser, and then I did a Clinical Solution Comb Facial Milk. And then I have 2 more products, which is the Tone Correcting Serum and then the Replenish C plus E. So next I'm going to do the Tone Correcting Serum. And just put a dot here, 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 here. And what that does is just even out your skin tone, guys. Tone correct. If you have some uneven in skin tone, this will help it out. Once again, you want your face and neck to match. You can use it in the morning and night. So that was a tone correcting serum. And I'm just dropping stuff. Tone correcting serum. And I'm going to grab my other one, which I just dropped. Here it is. Sorry, guys. And this is Serum C plus E. You need some vitamin C and E. Same thing. Let's go put some on my cheek, forehead, chin. A little bit more from my neck. Once again, you rub it in a circular upward motion. Forehead the same way. Upward motion. Chin. My neck. What's on the left? Back of my hands. All right. So my next step, what I'm going to do is my Volu-Firm eye cream. I'm going to put that on there. Squeeze some out about at the end. Squeeze some out. Maybe so use your ring fingers. Go back and forth, close your eyes, put it on there. Crow's feet, hit this area right here. What's left over, you go through your eyebrows. So that's your eyes. And this helps me, guys, with my dark circles. Have seen a tremendous outcome using this day and night. So that is eye renewal cream. And what I'm going to do next, okay, I'm going to do my lifting serum. Don't forget your lifting serum. So it seems like a lot of steps, guys, because I'm talking, but you can go faster than what I'm going. I'm just doing a little talking, a little more talking. Once again, rub it in. Forehead. Just keep your skin lifted up. Make sure you get your neck, keep that neck. You don't want no sagging skin. Lifted cheekbones. Okay. What I'm going to do again is use my Sonic brush, but I'm using the massage head. And it's just vibration. You're doing the work. Keep those cheeks lifted. This jawline. Forehead. Neck, outward, upward. I try to, like I said, the reason why I love the Volu-Firm, I want to stay ahead of the game. I love this. I don't see why not to use it. I want to always have a youthful look of my skin. So I know that our age always going up a year, but we can use products that will help us out, help people guessing our age. All right, it stopped. So I'm done with that. Another product that I use, guys, that's not part of the set, but this is part of the line. This is TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Deep Wrinkle Filler. So this is a deep wrinkle filler. I don't have wrinkles per se, but as you see when I talk, I do have a wrinkle in my forehead when I'm talking, guys. So what I do is squeeze some on here. I'm going to make that squint in my face, and I'm going to apply it all the way across. Add some more. And what this does, it diminishes the wrinkles, guys. So you see my squint in my face? So I'm going to apply that in, pat it in. You use this morning and night as well. And that will diminish the wrinkles, guys. You put it right in the crease of the wrinkles, and I'm just going to pat it with my hand. Keep going with my hand. I'm going to do both hands to speed this up a little bit. So I just pat it all the way right there. You see where I did my little wrinkle at. So putting that on there. So if you saw my wrinkle, I'm going to squinch my face again so you can see that it's not as deep as it was before. See, it's not as deep as it was before. When I squint it, see those lines? So it helps diminishes those lines. And then also, I can't do nothing about my smile. All you see is just there. It's not going anywhere, but what's left over, I just put that right there. That'll help diminish it some. I don't think it's going anywhere, but I use that. Okay, so that's that. This is for deep wrinkles. And last but not least, I'm going to put my day cream on with SPF 30 inside there. Once again, it has that great little pump. I already have some left over from yesterday, so I'm going to squeeze a little bit more. See it come out? And I'm going to dot. And then my forehead, I'm just going to put over there. I'm just going to pat that in because I don't want it to move that deep wrinkle feel I just put on there. So I'm going to do it like that. Rub it in. SPF protects your skin. I use the whole set, guys. You can mix and match our product. So I'm just going to tap my head without moving the deep wrinkle feel that's on there to get that day cream on my forehead in there. But you can mix and match our products. So you may like one moisturizer day cream better than the other one. So just say if I want to use the TimeWise 3D, I can use either or product. I can use the switch and match the TimeWise cleanser or the Volu-Firm repair cleanser. Day creams, you can switch it out, mix and match because they do affect people differently. Left those right there. What's left on the back of my hand. And that is it for my morning skincare routine, guys. Only thing different that I did for my nighttime routine was I added supplements. I do use supplements. And the supplements that I used today was the Clinical Solutions because I do use my retinol at nighttime. So I put that on there. And then I came in with my tone correcting serum, which you can use night and day. And that's to give your skin an even skin tone. And Serum C plus E. So those was my 3 supplements that I used. And I also added in my volume TimeWise deep wrinkler. So that is my skincare routine. I promise you guys, it only take you 5-10 minutes at max to do your face. I'm just talking. My timer says 13, so just only because I've been talking, it probably was right at 10. So if you have any questions about skincare in itself, I do send out samples, so if you want to try out any one of our skincare lines, I will be more than happy to send you a sample. You can try before you buy. We can set up a skincare consultation and we can be online and we will walk through it just the way I just did right now with you, but we'll just be on FaceTime. So all the description of the products that I have will be listed below if you would like to purchase. Now you may purchase. I know I'm showing you in demo, but anytime you watch my videos, it should be a link connected about the products that I use that you should be able to order those products. You can order on my website 24/7. It delivers right to your door. CDS is a small fee of getting it delivered to you, but it is awesome. You receive a pretty package from Mary Kay itself from me. With the products that you're interested and want to purchase from me. And same way, once you order product and you will get reminders of your refills. If you're running low on something, you just let me know, whether that's at 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. You can just shoot me a text and we can get that right out to you. If you are local to me, guess what? I have inventory and you can let me know that, hey, I'm running low, sister, and I need my cleanser. So that's one great thing about me as being a personal independent beauty consultant, that when I run low on my products, I can always go right into my inventory closet and just get out what I need. So let me know if you have any questions or what you would like to see on any upcoming videos with Mary Kay products and more. All right, have a great day. Be sure to wash your face day and night. That is morning and night. You also can add in supplements as you have seen in this video. Wash your face is so important.